Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. So today we have another beautiful day here on the homestead. It's about 70 degrees outside. It is perfect. Sun is out. Feels really, really nice. So I am going to go work on the big garden. Yesterday I did get a lot done in the backyard garden. Now we're going to go tackle the big garden and see if I can get it cleaned up a little bit and just get my ideas set for spring planting. So let's go ahead and head down to the garden. But first, I have some snacks that I'm going to give to the pigs. They definitely enjoy their hard-boiled eggs. I always make a few extra for the pigs. Sometimes I give them to the chickens, but they've been having a lot of leftovers, so those were for the pigs today. Now let's head over to the big garden and see what kind of shape it's in. It's gonna need a lot of work. So this year we decided to only do half of the garden this time around. I really want to hone in on my abilities to garden really well. So I think I bit off more than I can chew last year. So this year I'm only going to do half the garden. The other half we're going to leave for pasture for our cows once we do get them, and also the pigs to come in and out. So the half closest to the barn, we're actually going to leave that for the pigs and the cows, and then this half over here I'm gonna go ahead and garden in this half. So I have a lot of stakes that are still in there from my tomato trellises that I need to go ahead and get out, but I need to get in here and go ahead and get those cleaned up and get them out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. I'm gonna go get the side-by-side and bring it over so I can load up these stakes in the back of the side-by-side and then take them into the barn and store them properly. So we are inside the gate right now of the garden area, and just looking around, I'm finding a lot of trash from all the winds that we've had. So there's quite a bit of trash in here that I need to get cleaned up as well. But the majority of the things that I want to get out of here are these stakes. I'm gonna go ahead and get these cleaned up and taken out. All right, friends, time to start cleaning. Alright friends, so as I was cleaning up right here, this is where my flowers were, and I'm noticing a lot of greenery coming back over here. I'm not sure if these are going to be flowers or if this is just nature's way of covering the ground, but let me show you all the greenery that I'm finding right over here. That looked like a zinnia bush, but I'm not sure if that is actually going to be a zinnia or if that's just a weed. But hey, that means spring is just around the corner. Things are coming back to life here in the garden. Alright, so I've picked up all the stakes that are here in this garden, so now I need to go through and pick up all the trash. Like I told you, there's trash everywhere, whether it's from my stakes and the little plastic things that I put around them to keep the tomatoes up. Those are all over the place, and then there's just trash that came in from the winds. So I'm gonna go through and pick up as much trash as I can. All right, friends, so I collected an entire bag of trash here from the garden. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this away. It is Valentine's Day, so I need to get inside and get started on dinner for hubby and I. So I'll bring y'all along while I get started on dinner. Alright friends, thanks for stopping by the homestead today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you all had a wonderful Valentine's Day with your loved ones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.